Welcome to Beautyistic. I'm so glad you're here today. If you're ready to discover the very best tools that will take your nail care routine to the next level, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into an exciting countdown of the top 5 best electric nail drills. These drills aren't just tools, they're game changers, transforming how we approach everything from basic maintenance to salon-level perfection, all from the comfort of our own space. Now, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, I guarantee you'll find something that'll make your life easier, your nails flawless, and your technique sharper. So let's get this countdown rolling, because we're about to uncover the top contenders that promise to give you results that'll leave you speechless. Stay tuned, the best is yet to come. Coming in at number 5 on our top 5 best electric nail drills list is the Belle 35,000 RPM electric nail file. This isn't just any nail drill, it's a game changer for anyone serious about nail care. What if I told you this sleek, crystal diamond encrusted nail drill could make your manicure or pedicure routine feel like a professional salon experience, right at home? Its elegant appearance isn't the only thing that stands out. The Belle nail drill features a high-quality Coreless motor that delivers smooth, quiet performance with minimal vibration and heat. This means a more comfortable, seamless experience, whether you're working with acrylics or giving yourself a quick touch-up. With an impressive 0 to 35,000 RPM speed range, you have complete control over the intensity, perfect for precision when you need it, or for quickly grinding down nails when you're on a time crunch. And if you're someone who values portability, you'll love the compact design. This cordless beauty can be taken anywhere, making it perfect for travel or on-the-go manicures. It's lightweight, easy to store, and even includes a pause button to switch out drill bits quickly, a feature that both newbies and seasoned pros will appreciate. And here's a major plus. The Belle nail drill comes with an impressive 3,800 mAh battery that ensures long-lasting power. Say goodbye to frequent recharges, even during those long nail sessions. You can get through a full set of nails without interruption, which is a dream come true for anyone who wants a tool that keeps up with their schedule. But it's not just about the features. The Belle nail drill also comes backed by exceptional customer support, giving you peace of mind with every purchase. If you ever have a question or need help, their team is there to assist you. So, if you're looking to step up your nail care game with a drill that offers both style and substance, the Belle electric nail drill might be just what you need. It's more than a tool. It's an investment in professional-grade nails at home. If you love what you've learned today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep your nails looking fabulous. At number 4 in our top 5 best electric nail drills countdown, we have the Kiara Sky Beyond Pro Portable Nail Drill in pink. If you're searching for a reliable, high-performance nail drill that combines power, portability, and durability, this one might just be what you need. What if you could get professional-grade results with the freedom of working anywhere? The Kiara Sky Beyond Pro Nail Drill makes that possible. Its rechargeable, cordless design ensures you're not tethered to an outlet, giving you complete flexibility. Whether you're a professional nail tech or just someone who loves perfect nails, the Beyond Pro is a must-have in your toolkit. With a powerful motor that reaches up to 35,000 RPM, it delivers smooth, precise results every time. Its variable speed control gives you total command over your work, allowing for delicate shaping or efficient sanding, all without the noise or vibration that can come with lower quality drills. Plus, with a 10-hour battery life, it's built for those long sessions where you need uninterrupted power. The lightweight, acetone-resistant body ensures that it stands up to the demands of a busy nail salon environment, while its sleek design makes it easy to handle, even during intricate nail artwork. And let's not forget the stunning pink color. It's not just a tool, it's a statement. What's even better is the peace of mind you get with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, so you can trust that your investment is protected. So, if you're looking to take your nail care to the next level, the Kiara Sky Beyond Pro Portable Nail Drill has everything you need to do just that. If this drill has piqued your interest, Be sure to subscribe for more expert tips and reviews on the best tools to keep your nails looking fabulous. In at number 3, in our top 5 best electric nail drills countdown, we have the CHA1 Baby Products Lots. While it may not seem like the typical pick for a nail drill, it's creating quite a buzz in the beauty community. What if you could get your hands on a multifunctional, test-driven tool that's just as versatile as it is reliable? This lot is a game changer for those seeking diverse solutions for their beauty regimen. Now we know you're thinking, how does this fit into nail care? Here's the deal. The CHA1 Baby Products Lots is crafted with a focus on quality, efficiency, and precision, perfect for those who want to enhance their beauty toolkit, especially when it comes to maintaining their nails at home. Now you might be wondering how this product stands out in a sea of highly specialized electric nail drills. Well, let's break it down. While the CHA1 Lot isn't a direct competitor to other drills on the market, it offers an exceptional value for anyone looking to branch out into a variety of tools for both professional and personal use. The diversity and practicality this lot offers extend beyond just nail drills, with the added benefit of being part of a larger test group. This means it's tried and tested, ensuring you're investing in a reliable product. It's not just about nails. It's about creating a complete beauty experience that works seamlessly with your personal routine. Whether you're prepping for a nail appointment or just giving yourself an at-home mani-pedi, having versatile products that work together can save you time and money. If you've been following our countdown, you'll know that the CHA1 Baby Products Lots has earned its spot because of its incredible versatility and value. If you're ready to take your nail care to the next level, without the need for multiple different tools, this product could be exactly what you've been looking for. So are you ready to explore the full potential of your nail care game? Don't forget to subscribe if you want more tips and tricks. After all, we've got more to share in our top 5 best electric nail drills countdown. Are you loving the countdown of the best-selling electric nail drills? Well, don't leave your nails hanging. Hit that like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a flawless update. Coming in at number 2 on our top 5 best electric nail drills countdown, we have the Makartt Nail Drill Electric Nail File JD700. If you're someone who's looking to elevate your nail game, whether at home or in a salon, this professional-grade tool is an absolute game changer. What if I told you that in just minutes, you could achieve salon-quality nails without the high cost of regular trips to the nail salon? The Makartt nail drill is designed with precision and power in mind, boasting a high-torque motor that delivers speeds of up to 30,000 RPM. This makes it ideal for quick and effective work on acrylic nails, nail dip kits, poly nail gels, and even acrylic powder. With its lightweight design, it offers a comfortable grip that ensures maximum control, so you can work effortlessly and with confidence. Plus, the handpiece comes with a heat dissipation system, which means you can use it at high speeds without worrying about overheating or excessive vibration. So, no more annoying hand fatigue or the fear of damaging your nails during use. But it's not just about the performance. This nail drill also features a safety locking system for the bits, making it incredibly easy and secure to change out the attachments. Whether you're working with acrylics, dipping powders, or gels, it's got all the versatility you need with its 30 sanding bands and interchangeable bits. This electric nail drill also includes a foot pedal and adjustable rotation direction, giving you complete flexibility in how you use it. Whether you're left or right-handed, the Makartt nail drill adapts to your needs, offering both hand and foot modes for maximum convenience. Now, here's the best part. Makartt has made it incredibly easy for both salon professionals and home users. With a helpful tutorial video and instruction manual included, you'll be up and running in no time, saving money and trips to the salon while still achieving flawless results. If you're ready to upgrade your nail care routine and step up your game, this electric nail file is a must-have. But don't wait, this top-performing tool is in high demand, and you'll want to act quickly to secure yours. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the top picks in our top 5 best electric nail drills countdown. Ranking number 1 in our top 5 best electric nail drills countdown, the MelodySusie Professional Rechargeable Nail Drill offers everything you need to elevate your nail care game, whether you're a professional or just starting out at home. What if you could achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own space? With the MelodySusie SC320H, you can. It features an impressive 30,000 RPM speed, which is fully adjustable for the perfect level of power to tackle everything from nail filing to polishing and even callus removal. This nail drill handles it all with ease, and thanks to its superior torque, it won't stop mid-use, no matter the pressure you apply. Now let's talk convenience. The SC320H is rechargeable and cordless, giving you the freedom to take it anywhere. With a large 6,000 mAh battery capacity, you get 10 to 14 hours of use on a full charge, so you can say goodbye to tangled cords and limitations. And the best part? The smart LCD screen keeps you informed of both the RPM and battery life, ensuring you're always in control. The lightweight, pencil-shaped handpiece, made from durable aluminum alloy, is designed with ventilation holes to keep it cool and comfortable during long sessions. No more numb hands or discomfort after hours of use. Plus, it's compatible with all 330 half-inch shank bits, offering versatility and flexibility. The MelodySusie SC320H also comes equipped with an automatic protection program. If you apply too much pressure, the system kicks in to prevent overheating, helping you avoid potential damage. The built-in safety features ensure you're using the drill at the optimal speed for each task, whether it's prepping nails, removing gel, or shortening nails. If you're ready to take your nail care routine to the next level, this professional-grade electric nail drill should be your go-to tool. Don't miss out. Grab the MelodySusie SC320H today and experience what the best in the market truly feels like. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top 5 best electric nail drills. To stay in the loop with all the hottest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the amazing products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.